Big one.
So you better reel him in or he's gonna be gone. Yep, he's trying to throw it. He's trying to throw it.
I can't reel, my reel is broken.
Oh, your reel broke off the pole?
Yes.
The reel broke off the pole.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
just holding.
Oh yeah, it's working like this.
I think you got two.
I got two!
He's got two, everybody. How did he do that?
Oh.
He's got two. How does he get two? Two fish, one lure, two not. Oh, he lost one. He ended up with the smaller of the two.
My came undone.
Oh, we guys. And I got it on film.
Fix my reel real quick.
Yeah, you got to keep that tight so you're
It
real.
was tight. It just, I don't know what happened.
Now he's got the biggest, the most variety, and the most. He's got four. I've got two little ones. He got three little ones and one big one, and he had two at once. Hope that got on video, guys. That out there was awesome. The one that got off was bigger than the one he's fixing to show you.
Oh, no.
And which is not real big, but it's bigger than any of the other ones. It's probably a 2-pounder.
It's skinny. It just laid all its eggs.
Well, that would have been a few months ago. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna get us out of here, then we can come back in it and fish it again. Okay.
Okay.
That one wasn't getting away, and the other one tried to take it away from him. And Seth caught a nice. He had two on there. Dad, burn it. That's the first time you ever hooked up two at once, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on now. Now, hey, be gentle with the fish. You're just doing surgery, and he's got a sore mouth.
It's like it's cooked 3 different ways.
Well, you'll have to turn it over, flip it over.
I thought it was like a 6-pounder or something.
Well, it would have been if you'd have caught both of them at once. Oh, I gotta turn around. My tail end is killing me.
I can't even.
Hey, I think you're going to have to flip it like this. Look, flip it, the whole lure over.
Like this?
Yeah, flip that over. Now you're hooked in the bag, but.
Fish is gonna die.
No, he's not.
No.
All right, now flip it. Yeah, twist it on around. Turn it. Keep turning. Seth, hey, this is being on film, dude.
It's hooked, it's wrapped around like 3 times.
You want me to do it?
No.
Because if I do it, I get half ownership.
No.
There you go. Now he's got it. Now hold it for the camera. It's a skinny little bass.
I told you.
It's a little male. Goodbye, little fishy. Go back down to the depths. All right. Wobble plopper. There you go. Make sure your line's good. If you catch another one, it'll break them off like that.